Hello guys, I will show you the before and after removing a caulk video. This is a video before removing the caulk, and this is the one after removing the caulk. As you can see all the mold build up on the caulk. I will do the magic and remove all this mold in the caulk. And even from the floor area all this caulk and mold will be scraped off and removed. So all you see is the mold and the caulk, and this will be completely removed. Hello guys, you see this, and you see this. This is before pictures or before video. I'll do the magic and you'll see the after videos. Afterwards, everything will look like this. Step number 1, dry this area. Step number 2, there's goo gone, there's goof off, whatever. Get those from wherever you want and spray them. Leave them on for about 10-15 minutes for it to start doing its magic. Wherever you want to remove this caulking, just leave it. You can work in pieces, clean up small areas first, and then go from part to whole. Leave it to, for like 15 minutes maybe. Okay, the next step is to simply scrape it off with this plastic chisel. Is it what it's called? Chisel. Scrape it off. So this is how you do. The sharp edge goes against the wall, against the floor. I'm going to stop the recording. The reason I'm going to stop recording is because it's going to take me forever to wipe it off, like scrape it off. So you don't want to be getting bored. But I could just forward this video later. Okay guys, I will let you do the justice. Do you see any difference between before and after? You saw the ones before, and this is just first set of hands. Yes, it is. This is not even started, but this part is almost clean with the first iteration. All I have to do is do the exact same thing twice or maybe 3 times, and I'll be able to finish it up over the weekend. The only thing is you don't want to pay someone $2,000 to do the exact same thing that you can do with like $50 on your own. I hope you like the video. If you have any questions, please feel free to message me and I'll reply. Thank you.